Good morning everybody, you join me at Thirsk station on the East Coast Main Line for a few hours of train spotting today, and our first departure of today is 180-108 William Shakespeare with 1 Alpha 61 1A61 from Sunderland to Kings Cross, calling at York and Kings Cross. Here for a couple of hours of train spotting today, so as soon as this is finished later today I'll upload it. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please like, watch and subscribe to my channel please. Thank you very much, it doesn't cost anything. So happy spotting and over and out. Next we have 801213 with 1 Echo 06 1 EA6 from Edinburgh-Kings Cross. Right. Our next train is 22005 with 1 Echo 79 from Reading to Newcastle. Our next train is 801111 1K42 1K42 Our next train is 185106 and then following behind it is 185112 with 1P67 1P67 from Manchester Airport to Redcar Central. Our next train that we have is just a Loco only train. It's a locomotive only, and it is 0 November 32 ON32 with 66592 from Leeds Balm Road local depot to Tyne sorting sidings at Tyne Yard. Next we have 180-106 with 1 Alpha 64 1A64 from Sunderland to Kings Cross, calling at York and then London Kings Cross. Our next train is 1 Echo 82 1E82. It's 803003 from Edinburgh to Kings Cross. Here next we've got an engineering vehicle going up the Morpeth 6J38. Next we have 185118 and 185135 with 1 Papa 70 1P70 from Redcar Central to Manchester Airport. Next we have 66511 with 4 Delta 87, 4D 87 from Tees Dock to Doncaster Railport, 4D 87. service. Our next train is 800-112 with 1 Whiskey 11 from Kings Cross to Aberdeen. Next we have 801-202 with 1 D10 on Echo 10 from Edinburgh to London-Kings Cross. Next we have 220017 and 220122 with 1358 Edinburgh to Plymouth. Next we have 800-206 with 1043 from Newcastle to York. Next we have 185112 and 185106 with 1P72 from Redcar Central to Manchester Airport. Calling at York, Leeds, Shrewsbury, Huddersfield, Manchester Victoria, Manchester Upton Road, Manchester Piccadilly and Manchester Airport. Next we have 60002 with 6N61 from Drax to Tyne Colton Terminal, and it is Graham Paris 50th anniversary 1970 to 2022. The power of the service Drax Power Station to Tyne Colton Terminal. This also concludes our visit today to Thirsk station. So basically I'll be putting the video up in the next couple of hours, and hopefully you all enjoy my video. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do like, watch and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything and I really appreciate it if you would. Anyway, over and out. Have a nice weekend all. Oi oi.